Kyla. Hi, Cade. She's just smiling. 1, 2, 3. No. Hi. Do you like our baby?
Yeah.
Cute baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna stay away from her when she gets older?
No. Say hello, Mackenzie.
Happy Pee want me.
Yeah.
Pee too.
No, Kyla. No.
Pee.
That's enough. You have enough. That is enough.
Did you say happy birthday, Uncle Rob?
Happy birthday.
What did you say? Happy birthday.
On the front of the balloon up. Like that.
Call him an old man now.
Alright.
So he's old.
Not really. 1 more year. Then he's old 40.
I'm the one.
Hey.
Wow.
I'm just gonna go
No,
make